Hi, guys, and welcome back. So, it is Thanksgiving week, and I'm not gonna lie, I pretty much do the exact same Thanksgiving look every year. The same glam, the same colors oranges, browns, yellows. Those are just the colors for Thanksgiving, am I right? But I don't think I've ever filmed it. Yeah, because I've never filmed on Thanksgiving. What am I talking about? So I wanted to get a little ahead of the game this year and film my kind of go to Thanksgiving look. And I think that's about it for the intro. So if you would like to see what I do, then keep on watching. My hair. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is not the hair that goes out of the house. This is my lazy chick hair. What? This is my lazy hair day hair. I guess it's my snooky. My snooky. I am freezing. I turned my heat down because I hate being hot, and a lot of times for some reason when I come into film, the air or the heat just likes to just blow and blow and blow and blow. I don't know why, and then I get so hot in here, it just drives me nuts. Today I'm cold, but I do not want to get up and turn the heat back on. I'm going to be extra as, wow. I'm going to be so extra today and use 3 primers. I'm one of those. Because let's just be real, when I'm off camera, I do a lot more. I'm wiping like my oil off my face. I do a lot more sometimes off camera than I do on camera. Probably for time purposes. But I like to use different primers for different reasons on my face, and to me it makes sense. So I like to use a mattifying primer in my T-zone, and then like a pore filling primer for like the apples of my cheeks. And then lately I've been adding a luminizing primer because my face is kind of being combo. So I'm just being one of them extra types of bitches right now. And I really don't feel bad about it. So I use the Rimmel Stay Matte in my T-zone. I like to use the Benefit Professional on the apples of my cheeks. I like to use this on my nose as well. This is all 100% not necessary, obviously. I want my makeup to last because let's think about it. When it's Thanksgiving, I don't know about you, but I have multiple places to go. Sometimes 3 places to go. Lately, what was it? I think last year we did my dad's a different day, so it made it a little bit easier. But I do my mom's, his mom's, and then my dad's. So it can get pretty crazy. So I need my makeup to last. And then now I'm taking the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer and tend to kind of put it everywhere else. I'm actually curious, are any of you like that where you use multiple primers for different things with your face? I mean, to me it makes sense, but maybe to other people not so much. For foundation, I'm going to use the Lancome Tint Idol Ultra Wear Foundation. My self tan is hanging on. I need to redo my hands because my hands, it comes off so easily on my hands because I wash my face so much. So I definitely need to do that, and I planned on doing that after I film because one reason I knew I was going to get my hands wet from this. But probably tomorrow I'll redo my neck and everything. I love wearing this foundation because it lasts so long. It's an amazing foundation. All right, now for concealer, I'm going to go in with two. I love the combo of this. I'm going to use the Maybelline. Ooh, the cap would not come off. The Maybelline Age Rewind. I primarily use this. And then a little bit over top of it, I will go in with the e.l.f. Camo, which this bad boy lasts so long. So with all the running around and having basically Thanksgiving being an all day to evening thing, I need it to last. So this combination is bomb for that. And I like to get my powder ready so that I can just go in and immediately set. Today I'm going to use the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder and put this powder everywhere that I did not use concealer and the other powder. For bronzer, I'm going to use something different today. Usually I use the Benefit Hoola, which is my holy grail, my favorite bronzer of all time. Today I'm going to actually try and use the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in Suntan. I go back and forth between loving this bronzer and then not loving it. So I don't know why, but I'm going to give it a go. I'm using the lightest hand ever and really tapping off my brush. I think what it is, sometimes I feel like this bronzer can make me look muddy. It may be the shade. It may be me. But I don't know. Like sometimes I'm like, oh, this bronzer is beautiful and I love it. And then other times I'm like, I look muddy as hell. So hopefully that's not the case today. I have been cleaning all morning. We got our tiles, like the tiles in our kitchen, in our bathroom, and downstairs cleaned last week. And we redid the grout ourselves, like sealed it and painted it or whatnot. And it looks brand new, like both rooms, not the downstairs because we didn't end up doing the grout downstairs yet. But it looks brand new, so I feel like anything like dirties up the kitchen now because the floors just look so incredibly beautiful. So I've been like on this cleaning spree, and like you can see every little piece of anything on the kitchen floor because it's so clean that I've been like vacuuming it or taking my Swiffer and cleaning the floors all the time. Like I've become obsessed with it. So again, this morning I was cleaning again. I like cleaning though. Cleaning like relaxes me. I don't know about you, but I thoroughly enjoy cleaning. For blush, I'm going to use the Pretty Vulgar Blush in Hush Blush. This is one of my favorite blushes as well. Bam, beautiful color. Love using this blush. In the fall and winter, I'm a big hat person. So I probably ain't even going to worry too much about my damn hair. I just bought a new fall hat that I have not wore out yet. Tonight, maybe the night. We shall see. Dang, I'm just doing my whole face. I'm going to go ahead and highlight using the Ofra Beverly Hills highlighter and go a little overboard just like I did in my last video. Yesterday I was dying to wear makeup, but I had to work. I actually wore basically a whole face of makeup to work, which is really odd for me. I didn't wear foundation, I just stuck to powder foundation, but it was literally the most makeup I have ever wore to work. I was like, what is wrong with me? Now I'm going to spray with the Mario Badescu Aloe Cucumber and Green Tea. Ow. And then once that is dry, I'm going to use the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. Then I'm taking the side of my beauty blender that I really didn't use too much and just start to pat it along my face really lightly, just so everything kind of meshes with the skin better. All right, now for the eyes, I'm going to use my dirty ass James Charles Morphe palette. And like I said before, I love using browns, tans, these kind of shades, you know, those kind of shades, because to me, I don't know why, it just screams Thanksgiving. I don't know, that's just me. One thing I love about this palette is like, I can set it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn, almost taking me out. I can set it on my table just like this. I don't know. I like that. I like that aspect of this palette. So I think what I want to do first is, damn, I got stuff on my other, whatever, it's fine. I'm going to use this shade right here and just start buffing it right into my crease as my transition shade. And then I think I want to dip into, oh, do I dare? Do I dare? I kind of want to take one of these shades because they're just so bold. I might use both of them. I'm trying to see, like, is this a corally kind of color? That's pretty coral. Like, that reminds me more of like spring and summer. I think I'm going to go in with the red. Never used the red. I'm just kind of trying to do something a little different. I'm just going to start placing it down on my eyelid. It's coming off kind of pink. I don't know how that would come off pink. It's red, maybe. There we go. All right. There she is. I'm actually really loving this shade. There is a little bit of fallout. Oh, bitch. Wow. I guess that's just going to be part of my face today. All right, now I'm going to go in with the little bit of darker brown that was next to that first shade we used. And just start to kind of buff that right along here. Just to blend out this edge here. Now it's hot. Now it's hot. And then I'm going to take that really, really dark brown that's next to it in the middle row and start to smoke out my outer corner. I'm going to take a brush that has no product on it and just kind of blend the outer part here so it's not as harsh. And these colors look blended. I'm gonna take the darker one, which I don't know if I even showed you which one I was using. I was using this one right here, this dark one. So I went back and forth between like these three. So I'm gonna take the darkest of it and bring it really close to my lash line. And then blend it out with the next lightest. Man, I gotta put something. I gotta use this right here. Oh my god, that is so creamy. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna put a little bit of that on like the inner part of my eye. Just a little bit, not like over the top. Really should have just put it in the middle. But oh well. Yeah. I'm gonna take a little bit of that yellowy type of shade. Not the yellow, but like the orangey. A little bit of that on too. Just kind of going with the flow here, people. Never really know what the hell I'm doing. And I'm going to take a little bit of that orangey and put it like right here in the middle. Actually, I'm just going to drag it along the lash line. Just a little bit of it. Yeah, I love that. And instead of this white, I'm actually going to take the white from the Ofra Beverly Hills highlight and put that on my inner corners. Okay, so I went off camera, did my brows, put my lashes on, and I put mascara on. So now it is time for the lips. I'm gonna start with the Rimmel. I need a new one. Natural? Shade Natural. I need y'all to make some requests for videos down below because I'm going through it like freaking creative block. It's bad. And I'm obsessed with this shade with fall and winter. Oh my god, this shade is beautiful. It is the Maybelline Crazy for Coffee number 275. This is such a gorgeous, I can't even talk. This is such a gorgeous shade. And then because I have to have some gloss, I'm going to use the NYX Intense Butter Gloss in Banana Split. It has an orange tone to it, so I thought that would go perfect with this look. I only kind of want to keep it in the middle. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I told you I was going to pop my hat on. I love this hat. I got it off of Amazon. If I remember to put the link on here down below, I'll put it down below. But I got it from Amazon. I think I just typed in like fall, women's fall hats or something like that. I think I'm going to get a black one too because it was only like 15, 16 bucks or something like that. I don't even feel like I have anything on my head and it's just, it like fits perfectly. I love it. I love the way the eyeshadow turned out. It has reddish, brown, orangey, goldish up close when you can see it. And the lip pairs perfectly with it. I love the way my skin looks. I have a freshly shaved face from last night, so the makeup looks absolutely gorgeous on my skin right now. The day after I shave is when my makeup always looks the best, so it looks pretty bomb. I hope whatever you guys are doing for Thanksgiving, if you celebrate Thanksgiving, that you have a fabulous time, eat lots of food, be in a food coma, take a nap, and start eating again. Because that's exactly what I do on Thanksgiving. We do like a brunch over Chris's mom's and then go to my parents after. And then like I said earlier, sometimes we'll go to my dad. So sometimes I'm eating 3 huge meals in one whole day. And you know what? I actually love it. I like turkey. I actually found out a lot of people don't like turkey for Thanksgiving, which is crazy to me. I love turkey. I just like food. So I'm not even really picky when it comes to food. I could eat turkey, steak, pork, beef, anything. I can eat it all. I'm gonna eat it all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked this look. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.